Hi. While visiting with a client yesterday, I was asked the question about how a comment could be placed on an AP check, on the check itself. Apparently they have the need occasionally for a few specific vendors to put information on the comment field of an individual check. So I'll show you how to do that today. We're in the purchasing series, and under transactions we're going to select who we pay by choosing Edit Payables Check. Now this is the window where we can enter in a comment. So I'll go through and I'll create a batch. I'll create the batch called Mike, and I will choose my checkbook. Save my batch, and I'll pull up the vendor that I want to write the check for. Now for the vendor, let's go ahead and make it $50 prepayment. What I'm going to do on this particular field, this comment, is I'm going to put my particular comment right here. Okay, and you could go ahead and select any other invoices that you want to pay at this time, and I'll click Save, and it's just prompting me that I have multiple remit to addresses, and I'll click OK to continue. And if I want, I can add other checks to this batch as well. I'm going to go ahead and choose to print checks, and I'm going to print the checks to the screen. Now we can see on the check here my comment is displaying right on the check, but there's a little bit more to it than that. It does have to be on the format of the check itself, and out of the box GP does not come with that comment field there. So you'll need to work with your partner or work with someone in your IT department to get that comment there. I'm going to show you what the field is so that if you are one of the technical people you can know which field to get it in. But I want to caution you because I'm going to make the report writer look a whole lot easier than it really is. So I'm just going to launch the report writer, and I'm going to do it the cheat way by modifying the report right on the screen so that it will not only open up the report writer, but it'll launch the report in it as well. Okay, so here's where I've added it to the check, and you notice the field is comment 1 and it's located in the PM work file. So I can see it right there, and all I did, remove it and I'll re-add it again, was add it right there, and I went ahead and made it just a tad bit longer, even though we know the field is only 30 characters. And you'll want to note that the display type will be last occurrence, and beyond that all you'll need to do is set up security. Let's launch Great Plains again. Okay, so we're back into GP, and now if I were to go back and reprint this check, again you'll see that the comment does indeed exist. So note there are two parts. One, we need to put the comment onto the edit check window, and second of all, we need to put the comment on the check itself in report writer and make sure we grant access to it. I hope this helps.